Living in Maricopa means enjoying the beauty of the desert landscape, with its stunning sunsets and open skies. But it also means dealing with one persistent challenge: dust. Desert dust is a constant presence in the area, and while it's part of the environment, it can wreak havoc on your home's windows if not properly managed. Over time, dust buildup affects not only the look of your windows but also their performance and longevity. With a few smart maintenance tips, you can keep your windows in top condition while enjoying clearer views and a more comfortable home. Why desert dust is a problem for Windows Maricopa's dry climate makes dust a year-round issue. Strong winds, construction activity, and sparse rainfall all contribute to higher dust levels. When it comes to your windows, the effects can be significant. Reduced clarity. Dust accumulates quickly, leaving windows looking cloudy and dull. Increased wear. Dust particles are abrasive and can scratch glass or damage frames if left unchecked. Compromised seals. Dust and grit can wear down weather stripping, leading to drafts and reduced energy efficiency. Indoor air quality. Dust buildup on sills and tracks can get into your home, worsening allergies and respiratory concerns. Staying ahead of dust buildup protects both your home's appearance and your investment in quality windows. Regular cleaning is key. One of the simplest but most effective ways to combat desert dust is through regular cleaning. Exterior cleaning. Rinse windows with a hose before wiping to avoid scratching the glass. Use a mild soap solution in a microfiber cloth for best results. Interior cleaning. Dust sills, tracks, and frames weekly with a damp cloth or vacuum attachment. Glass maintenance. Avoid harsh chemicals that may damage coatings on energy-efficient windows. Scheduling monthly deep cleans can make a big difference in maintaining both clarity and functionality. Protecting window frames and seals. It's not just the glass that suffers from dust, your window frames and seals are just as vulnerable. Inspect weather stripping. Dust and grit can break down seals over time. Check regularly and replace if needed. Lubricate moving parts. Sliding and casement windows benefit from occasional lubrication to keep them operating smoothly. Choose low-maintenance materials. Vinyl and fiberglass frames resist dust damage better than wood, which may require more upkeep. By paying attention to these areas, you extend the lifespan of your windows and prevent costly repairs. Preventive measures for dust control. Beyond cleaning, there are proactive steps Maricopa homeowners can take to minimize dust intrusion. Landscaping solutions. Adding gravel, ground cover, or native plants around your home reduces the amount of loose soil that turns into dust. Screens and filters. Install high-quality window screens and check HVAC filters regularly to keep dust from circulating indoors. Protective coatings. Some glass treatments help repel dust and make cleaning easier. Ask your window professional about these options. Small preventive actions can save hours of maintenance over the long run. When to consider window replacement. If your windows are older or already showing signs of dust-related damage, replacement may be the best long-term solution. Leaky seals. Frequent drafts or foggy panes indicate compromised insulation. Difficult operation. Dust buildup can make older windows hard to open or close. Visible wear. Scratched glass or cracked frames may require replacement to restore efficiency and aesthetics. New, energy-efficient windows designed for desert climates can reduce maintenance needs and improve comfort in your Maricopa home. Final thoughts. For Maricopa homeowners, desert dust is an unavoidable part of daily life, but it doesn't have to take a toll on your windows. With regular cleaning, seal inspections, preventive measures, and, when necessary, professional replacement, you can keep your windows clear, efficient, and long-lasting. Investing time in maintenance not only improves your view of the desert landscape but also protects your home from drafts, energy loss, and unnecessary wear. By staying proactive, you'll enjoy brighter interiors and windows that continue to perform well, even in the challenging desert climate.